So we're on the user left side. First thing we want to do, take off the user left crank arm. I have another video for that. Bear with me, I didn't have my iPod or my tripod. There's a little ring. You just kind of use a flathead and wiggle it off. This ring right here just unscrews. Boom. Got that off. Now take off 1, 2, 3 of the belt cover screws, and then we'll move to the other side. I like to get one side prepped and then go to the other side. Now we're on this side. Remove your cover, 1 screw, 2 screw. Those are long, 1, 2 short. Kind of angle your pedal in such a fashion that you can get this off. And rotate this as needed. There you go, pops right off. Exposing this. Remove crank arm. Get it loose. 8mm Allen wrench head. All right, that's off. Park pedal wrench with the big head, not the small one. Do not use the small one. Use the small one, you're going to thread it right into that bolt. This bolt, that hole is diameter of the small one. You'll learn that one the hard way. Thread this all the way in. Don't just do a couple threads, sink it. Otherwise it'll just strip out. It's a good video if you need to know how to pull the user right crank arm. Bam, that one's off. Slide that to the side. Okay. Now what I do, me personally, tip the bike over. This is the area we're working in. Okay. You need the special wrench. Goes in right here. Okay. Seats in. There's a bunch of little holes. The important part is you get it in. Here's the pro tip. Just get some of these bigger washers at Lowe's. Put that on there like that. Oh, excuse me, sorry, not ideal filming. Screw this thing on. Sorry. This is the crank bolt. Okay, we're going to screw that on. Get it nice and tight. That way this thing won't pop out. Just gotta align that real good. Now, get a 36mm socket, put it over that. This one happens to be a 1/2" drive breaker bar. This varies depending on bike. Good foot placement. This one's counterclockwise. This side to loosen, use your left counterclockwise. Gets easier, but I find having that washer helps keep that special tool in place. And then once you get one side off, the other side's usually easier. Usually. I'm not going to bore you, I'm going to get this side out and then I'll resume when I get to the other side. So we flipped it back over. Use your special Park bottom bracket tool, available on Amazon. It's like 14 bucks. Get it lined up on all the little make sure it's seated. Hopefully this side comes off easy. Oh. That's the problem when you don't have the tool to keep it kind of locked in there. This side's a little easier. Oh. This side, sorry. This side to free it, you got to turn it clockwise. There it comes. Use your right side, remember, clockwise. And obviously, it'll help to have a ratchet, easier than a breaker bar. The hardest one's always the first side. Just all the pressure off the other side's all easy. Now, clean out the threads really good, and then reverse the process.